Hey everyone! Today, we're diving into the JSAUX 3-in-1 portable wireless speaker. This device is not just your ordinary speaker, it's a perfect blend of a wireless Bluetooth speaker, a magnetic charger, and a convenient phone stand ideal for those who love multifunctional gadgets. Now, let's talk about the cool features. The stereo loud sound is impressive, offering a dynamic music experience with stable stereo sound, no distortion, and strong bass. The built-in microphone ensures clear and noiseless hands-free calling. Pairing and connecting are a breeze, transforming this speaker into a reliable music player. What sets this apart is the magnetic wireless charging capability, utilizing MagSafe technology. It's compatible with iPhone 15, 14, 13, 12, 11 series and Samsung S22, 21, 20 series, offering 7.5W max charging. Just remember, connect it to a power source for the magnetic charging to work. The design is thoughtful, incorporating a cell phone stand feature. This means you can enjoy hands-free activities, whether it's watching a movie, making a video call, or even following a cooking tutorial in the kitchen. And of course, it makes for an excellent gift, especially with the holiday season around the corner. Imagine playing Christmas music at your holiday party with this versatile gadget. Plus, JSAUX backs it up with an 18-month warranty and excellent customer support. In conclusion, the JSAUX 3-in-1 portable wireless speaker is a unique and practical gadget that combines entertainment, functionality, and convenience. Stay tuned for the unboxing to see it in action. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.